Hello guys, in this video we will be discussing arrays problem number 4, which is missing number in array. Yeah, you are given an array of size n minus 1 that contains distinct integers in the range from 1 to n inclusive. That means 1 is included and also n is also included. This array represents a permutation of the integers from 1 to n with one element missing. So one element is missing in that array. Your task is to identify and return the missing element. Yeah, as you can see in this array 1, 2, 3 and 5. N is obviously 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the numbers. And what's the missing number? 4. And here also 8, 2, 4, 5, 3, 7, 1. The missing number is 6. We need to return 6. So let's solve this problem. Yeah, I have taken example number 1, which is 1, 2, 3 and 5, and here n is equal to 5. What's the brute force approach? To run 2 loops and check every condition, and at that time the time complexity will be big of n square. So there's an easy approach. It's very easy. You know the sum of n numbers from 1 to n, right? Sum of integers from 1 to n. What's the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Yeah, by calculating the sum of n integers and subtracting each and every element from this sum, we will be getting the leftover element. So that's very easy approach to do. Within one loop, we will get the answer, the missing element. So that the time complexity will be big of n. So we will be taking a variable which is sum, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So what's the n value? 5. 5 into 6 by 2, which is 15. So what we will be doing? We will be subtracting each and every element in the array from 15. So what's the leftover in the sum? That's obviously the answer. That's it. So first the pointer points to 1. So 15 minus 1, that is 14. And after that the next 14 minus 2, that is 12. After that 3. 12 minus 3, that obviously 9. And after that to next 5. What's 9 minus 5? That's obviously 4, and that is answer. Out. That's it. It's very simple. You need to know the logic. First, we need to take sum, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here, what's the n value? Length. So first take n. N is equal to arr dot length plus 1. And we need to take sum as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. That's it. The sum is stored in the sum variable, and we need to run a for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I less than arr dot length I plus plus. And after that we are separating each and every element from sum. Sum minus equal to arr of I. So after running the entire loop, the result will be stored in sum variable. written sum. That's it. We need to initialize n as integer. Okay. Yeah, the entire test case are passed.